This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive. This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and in that box is some awesome stuff for my Panther platform car.
So what could it be? Stainless works. Good stuff. All right, let's open this box up and see what's in here. Yep. Okay. Yeah. All right, let's take a look at the contents of this box. Let's open it up. This is so exciting. What could it be? What could be in here? Let's see. Oh. Well packed, that's for sure. Let's open this up. And there it is. Beautiful headers and race cats from Stainless Works. They look absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to get these on the town car. Absolutely, this is going to be absolutely awesome.
So I'm going to go ahead opening up everything else, and I'll show you guys everything all laid out here, what's included in this kit. I purchased this from adtr.net. They were recently having a sale on them. Unfortunately, I missed the sale, but you should always keep an eye out for that if you're thinking about taking the plunge on these. But let's get everything else laid out and see what's in the kit.
And here's one of the race cats that actually comes with it, and you can see that per square inch they actually have a good amount of holes, very similar to the Fab Speed race cats that they have available, that I have on the Lamborghini, and those things are absolutely awesome. So I can't wait to put these on this car. That's great. And I'm going to show you guys how well you can actually see through this by holding it up to a light. You can see right through these things, not a problem at all, which is awesome. Nice flow. And it looks like they included O2 sensor extenders of some sort. That's what they look like. Also some sealant, some bolts. Looks like a lanyard type clip, and a couple koozies and a catalog. So that's awesome. A bag of clamping hardware, and it appears to be very high quality clamps, which is nice. And fit and finish seems really, really good on these. So they pretty much just have slip fit connectors. So the side with the cuts on the cat go towards the header, and then you have your pipe, which will hook up to your factory exhaust. So yeah, these look really good, really nice welds on them. I'm excited.
So we'll be doing a video in the future when it's time to get these installed, so I'll let you guys know how that install went. It's probably going to be not too fun. That's why I'm actually sending it over to my buddy's garage, Ken's Auto in Billerica, Massachusetts. He is my Panther platform guy. So if you're looking to get Panther platform work done, Ken's Auto in Billerica, Massachusetts is the place to go. Anyways, that's a wrap. If you guys enjoyed this video, the unboxing of the Stainless Works Panther platform headers, be sure to give the video a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.